Hi everyone. Hi everyone, it's Maya.
I'm Bella.
And Harper.
And today we're going to be making a Mother's Day basket for my mom. She also works here, so she probably will see this video, but that's okay. Yeah, so Bella's going to fertilize it.
Just getting right to it.
Getting right to it. Amazing.
And water.
Okay, so while you do that, I'll explain. So I went with more peachy tones because I like peachy tones, but I also think she likes peachy tones. And I'm going to be looking at it because it's going to be in my backyard, so I want it to look pretty as well. So this is like half my basket, half my mom's, but it's my mom's. That was a lot. I don't know what I just said.
Okay,
I just rambled, but it's okay. You guys get the point. Okay, so what I'm going to put in first is the Begonia Selenia Apricot. It's just the most prettiest orange ever. And I love it. And I'm sure my mom will love it too.
The whole basket is going to look like a sunset.
Totally.
So I'm also jealous and I kind of want it.
That's the vibe. It's the vibe of the plant. Okay. Do you guys want to put something in?
Yeah.
Sure.
You guys can put these in.
Okay,
Just on
Where do you want
both
them?
sides.
Okay.
Okay, next is a sweet potato vine, sweet Georgia bronze.
And this one is Bacopa Betty White.
And this is just going to go on the side here.
So next I'm going to put in the Calibracoa Hula Strawberry. It's the most gorgeous kind of pinky orange. I know my mom loves these because we're actually planting these together and we're talking about how much we love these colors. So I'm going to put them in and I'm going to put them one on each side. You want to do it?
Cute.
Okay. So fun fact, the strawberry is actually new this year. So if you don't recognize it, that's why. So next we're going to add in the strawberry blonde marigolds. There's a variety of sorted pinks and reds and yellows in here. And I'm just going to kind of put them sporadically just to kind of fill out the basket and tie in all the different colors. So one for you.
A pink one. Just kidding.
Oh, yeah.
It's red.
And
You just want to put them wherever?
yeah, maybe like 3 or 4.
Okay.
Just to kind of have some color. Maybe 1, 2.
Cute.
This already looks so pretty.
Wow.
I love that.
I'm not one to toot my own horn, but but this looks pretty good. I'm kind of surprised.
I'm kind of jealous. I wish I was Jen.
I know, right?
It looks so good. I love it.
Okay, this looks a little like it's going rogue a bit.
They need to ground themselves.
Okay, so this is what the finished product looks like. This is the basket. Super pretty. I'm sure my mom will enjoy it. I will also too.
Me too.
We're all gonna just admire it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Yay!
That was so fun. I love that.
Sorry, let's ask the crowd.
What color
Someone
is this?
please let us know.
Is there pink in this, or do you just see red and orange and a little bit of yellow?
There's for sure pink in here. I went for peaches because I think she likes peaches, but I also like peaches, so it's gonna be in my backyard. So I also want to look at it, but so I went like kind of peachy tones. So this is the Selenia Apricot Begonia, and I actually need to restart because this isn't water.
Well, I was thinking about it. I was like, should I do it like
Okay.
now?
I whispered that to you, but you kept going.
Oh really? I did not hear you.
I wish
Okay.
they would have heard it in the video too. Like,
Okay.
you have to water.
You need to water. Should I just restart?
Um,
Just, yeah.
yeah. Sorry,
Hi,
I'm trying to
everyone.
hold.
Oh,
Sorry,
okay.
I'm trying to hold your hand.